If your Windows PC become is lagging, crashing, or certain devices just aren't working, it's often because your drivers are missing, outdated, or broken. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to fix all of that using Advanced Driver Updater. First, download and install Advanced Driver Updater from the official SysTweak website, and the link is in description. After installing, open the program and hit Start Scan Now. The tool will check your entire system for outdated, missing, or corrupted drivers, everything from graphics and audio to network and peripherals. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a list of problem drivers along with details like the version you have and the updated version available. You can update drivers one by one or simply click Update All. Before updating, the software creates a backup of your existing drivers, so if anything goes wrong, you can restore them instantly. After updating, restart your PC so the changes take effect. And this usually fixes issues like no sound, poor graphics performance, devices not responding, internet dropouts, and random system errors. You can also set up automatic scan schedules so your drivers stay updated without you having to check manually. Advanced Driver Updater is especially useful if you've just installed Windows, added new hardware, or your PC isn't performing the way it should. It saves time compared to manually searching the web for drivers, and its large database covers most hardware components. If this helped you troubleshoot your Windows issues, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what driver problem you're trying to fix.